Hey, what's up, fam? And just coming to you from Venice Beach, and my wife and I, we're about to start a 30-day ultimate lifestyle challenge. And what we'll do is we're going to take on 10 people to transform their life. This is a transformation. It's not a weight loss thing. It's a transform by removing addictions to old foods, resetting the hormones, or rebalancing the hormones, I'm sorry, burning fat, building muscle, and along the way you're going to get weekly support on the Zoom calls, workouts that I do. I am a certified CrossFit coach, studied Olympic lifting at Waxman's Gym, and also played sports since 1984. Soccer is my game, football, basketball, track, soccer, gymnastics. And also we're giving you our printout of the products you need, or flex foods and lifestyle meals to go along this journey. The most important key to the transformation is the removal of glyphosate from the body. You're going to be removing this. When you remove glyphosate from the body, it does so much. There's a link below to click and watch a video by Jeffrey Smith, who is the founder of the Institute for Responsible Technology, and he gives all the information about the dangers and harms of glyphosate. He's been spending 22 years of his life traveling the world and talking about the dangers of glyphosate and GMO products. So that's it. We're doing the 30-day challenge. It's going to start on June 1st. Transform your life. My sales supervisor at work has thanked me 4 times in the past 10 days. He's lost 9 pounds in 10 days for the change he's experienced in his life, and this is just so awesome to see. You can't beat changing somebody's life. He's sleeping well, which has been missing from his life for years, and he's happy. Deep sleep, losing weight, burning fat, building muscle. These are all parts of the cleanse when you do this. So make sure to click the link below, do a Calendly. We can schedule a call and then get you started. All right, take care.